For Conference 10, here are 10 compelling reasons to attend the Jamaica Diaspora Conference in June. Are you going to count down with me? Number 1, the conference will be held in Montego Bay. My Bay friends will say that this is all the reason anyone needs. The organizers listened to your call and will be hosting this conference in the tourism capital of Jamaica. Now, who doesn't need a few days in Bay in the summer? Number, this is the first in-person conference since COVID-19. Let's get back together and spend some time with each other the way we Jamaicans like to. It's been too long. Number, if you own a business of any size overseas, the Diaspora Marketplace is an excellent opportunity to elevate the presence of that business and generate valuable leads. Think of the networking and visibility potential among your global Jamaican community. You do not want to miss out on the marketplace. We only have 50 places. Some of them are already gone. Please book your place in the marketplace. Number, come to the conference and visit the local craft markets and stores for authentic Jamaican art and craft, created by some of the island's most gifted artists and artisans. This is your chance to take some one-of-a-kind pieces back home with you. And then, number 5, who loves Jamaican food? Oxtail? There's nothing like eating authentic Jamaican food right here in Jamaica. So come home to some well-seasoned Jamaican jerk, the patty, the bread pudding, and the oxtail, seasoned with Jamaican breeze and sunshine. And then number 6, the properties. I know that there are many in the diaspora who want to own homes in Jamaica. Come to the conference and use some time to visit some of the properties that you're interested in. Perhaps it's the Pinnacle, one of our sponsors. But do your online searches now. Make your list and then come and see them. And then speak with any of the sponsors, JN Bank, FGB of Grace Kennedy, the NHT, JMB Bank, and VM Building Society for your financing. Then number 7, book your trip for the conference and set aside some time to tour the island. Why not rent a vehicle from Island Car Rentals? Buy a phone from Digicel. Pack some national snacks. Take some Grace tropical rhythms and hit the road and take some pictures. Those memories will last a lifetime. And then number 8, rekindle your connections here. This can mean walking the streets your parents and grandparents did, showing your children your old school, or even visiting extended family and longtime friends. Now might just be the time to forge stronger bonds in Jamaica. The conference agenda is number 9. The conference agenda includes diverse, interesting topics. And Minister Johnson Smith, your team, led by Honorable Alana Terrelong and Undersecretary Mrs. Bowen and Director Mr. Wilkes, they have been excellent in putting together a wonderful program. Let's give them a round of applause. We have worked with them, and I'm saying to those of us overseas, the program has been carefully designed with strong input from Jamaicans and friends of Jamaica in the diaspora. For this conference, we will intentionally dedicate more time and space to exploring how you who live abroad can yourselves derive tangible benefits from active participation in the global Jamaican community. And then number 10. Finally, in this list of 10, come to the conference to build stronger networks with other non-resident and resident Jamaicans in areas of interest to you. This can lead to transformational connections and collaborations. There's really no other opportunity like this one.